Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you need a little help rocking your baby to sleep while you're on the go, this is the perfect baby invention. This is the Rockit, and with the click of a button, it will help rock your baby to sleep no matter where you are. One of my favorite things about the Rockit is how easy it is to use. It's rechargeable by USB. It comes with a strap that you attach to the top of your stroller, and once it's there, you don't need to move it anymore. You can just slide your Rockit in and out whenever you need to charge it. I love that the Rockit is very small and lightweight, so you can still have other attachments on your stroller and it still fit there nicely. It doesn't take up too much space. And to turn it on, you just press the top button and that's it. Your stroller is being rocked and your baby is being soothed. It's so convenient to have when you're on the go. For example, my baby doesn't like to stop at the red lights, so we'll sometimes turn that on to soothe him. Or if we're at the doctor's office and he's getting a little restless from being in his car seat for too long, we'll turn it on and it'll just calm him. Or if we're out to eat at a restaurant, it's really convenient as well. So if you're in the market for something to help soothe your baby when they get fussy, when you're on the go, you should definitely get the Rockit. This is so handy to have on your stroller for when you're on the go. You're gonna love it and your baby will too. That's just my point of view.